What is up, YouTube family? Here we are in Mdina, which is one of the major cities on Malta. The entire city is literally a castle, which is super, super awesome. And they also filmed a lot of Game of Thrones here. So you might notice this area in one of the Game of Thrones episodes. But in this video, I wanted to talk about the 6 reasons why I am so bullish on Gala Games and believe the coin has 10x or more potential. Now, I do need to say, even though I'm a partner with Gala, they do not support any of my sentiment about whether the coin's gonna go higher or lower or anything. They don't care about that. It's just a utility coin. So it is completely my own opinion talking about the future price of Gala, but I personally believe it has a lot of upside. So let's go over these 6 reasons, or more specifically, 6 games, and why each and every one of them makes me bullish on Gala, and I think each one has the potential to bring crypto gaming and play to earn mainstream. So we're going to start at the top with number 1, Forever Winter, which is a game that was just announced at Galaverse here in Malta less than a week ago. Now, one of the reasons why I'm so bullish on Forever Winter is because Fundog Studios, the game that is building it, has a ton of developers that worked on The Witcher 3, which was an incredible game, and Forever Winter looks to be just as impressive. It is a shooter horror game that literally is going to bring so many traditional gamers into the Web3 gaming space. Just really, really cool. But now let's move on to the second game that makes me super bullish about Gala long-term and the Gala coin price, and that is Last Expedition, which is being created. It is a shooter game being created by the kings of shooter games. We're talking the developers behind Halo, which was incredible, and Call of Duty, which is one of the biggest gaming franchises that has ever existed in history, bringing a game to the Gala Games ecosystem. Do you not think that's going to be bullish for Gala as a coin? It's going to be incredible. Now, I know some of you guys are going to say, but there's a new coin that comes out for each game, so Gala has no upside. We'll talk about that more towards the end. But first, let's talk about the third game that makes me super, super bullish for Gala long term. And this is The Walking Dead, which I was lucky enough to be able to play and stream at this last Galaverse with one of the game's lead developers. So if you missed that stream, make sure you check it out. But The Walking Dead Empires looks really, really good, and it is really fun as well, and it's in partnership with AMC. Which this is another one of those things that just makes me so bullish on Gala. The fact that they can create partnerships. They're making partnerships like no one else in the Web3 space. And it is just impressive. One big studio after another big studio after another big studio, which leads us perfectly into number 4, which was Gala's partnership with NBC Universal that was just announced at Galaverse, and them bringing Battlestar Galactica to the Gala Games ecosystem. Another game that looks incredible, but whether or not this game or that game is what you're impressed with, the important thing is each of these games on their own would make me bullish for a studio, and Gala has all of them coming into the ecosystem, which is just mind-blowing. Now, 5th, let's talk about Grit and Gala's partnership with EpicGames. Literally, EpicGames is bringing Grit onto their store. It is going to be the very first blockchain game coming to EpicGames and will introduce Web3 gaming to 30 million daily players, which is insane. And like I said a minute ago, it is partnership after partnership after partnership that Gala is announcing, and it makes me so bullish for the entire Gala Games ecosystem. So now I want to give one final game, and then we'll talk about the coin specifically a little bit. And this 6th game is Mirandus. Now, Mirandus is not being made in partnership with anyone. Mirandus is being made by Gala Games in-house development team. And I'm going to just walk a little bit so you guys can see some of this crazy city. There's 3 levels here. But I got to interview, if you guys didn't see this, some of Gala Games' Mirandus developers, and it is so impressive. They're literally bringing people onto the Mirandus team with a decade plus of experience working on World of Warcraft, an insane MMO. And just imagine World of Warcraft on the blockchain where the entire economy is like real. It's all real and interchangeable with the real world economy. And I just think that like what Gala is building with Mirandus is just as impressive and just as insane as this city of Mdina, which is what I kind of wanted to record this here. Gala is bringing something building something that's going to last. Every single developer on Gala Games' Mirandus team has 20 plus years of experience making video games. They have made some of your favorite video games of the past, and now they're working on the next generation, which is going to change everything. But now let's talk about Gala Coin a little bit, because there's a lot of people that hear me talking up all these games that are releasing on the Gala Games platform. And Mirandus, by the way, is exclusive, which is we're gonna bring a ton of people into Gala. Literally, Gala's doing the same exact thing that Steam did, which made Steam successful. Gala is now doing that in Web3, and Steam has said, no NFTs, no crypto. So Steam has like alienated themselves from the future of gaming, which is idiotic, but it's also what makes me partially even more bullish on Gala. Gala is going to be the only ones in this space that are doing it this big. Even GameStop is behind Gala Games in Web3. But talking about the coin, the fact that all of these games are going to have their own cryptocurrencies, that is a good thing, not a bad thing, because Gala can stand on its own. It has the same exact tokenomics of Bitcoin, which is a max supply and then halvings that happen. And every time there's a halving, there's less future supply that next year. And unlike Bitcoin, which has a halving every set number of block transactions, Gala has a halving every single year. So it is currently June when I'm recording this, and the next halving is literally next month at the end of July, which means all of a sudden, all of the node owners that, if you guys don't know, nodes literally power Gala's ecosystem. So these games are literally running on decentralized servers of the players, which is just a really, really cool idea. And they're paid in Gala Coin, but the amount of Gala Coin that node owners are getting paid is getting cut in half in July. So talk about the potential for some short-term upside, not even the next 5 to 10 years, which has insane long-term upside, but we have a mix of max supply, so Gala can be a store of value, halvings, so less dilution as time goes on, and eventually no more dilution because we're gonna hit the max supply and then it's gonna be a perfect store of value. And then third, we have all of these amazing games, which I covered over the first half of this video, that are each individual one gonna be bringing more people into the Gala Games ecosystem. And what do you use Gala for? Well, if you wanna buy NFTs for any of these games, you use Gala for it. If you want to invest into Gala Games as an ecosystem, you buy Gala to do that because Gala's a private company, so you can't buy the stock or anything. And just as more people fall in love with the games in the Gala ecosystem, you better believe more and more of them are going to be storing their wealth in Gala Coin as just the way to store wealth, where you're still right here in the ecosystem. If you want to move between one game coin to another game coin, you go through Gala. Gala's getting its own blockchain, which is going to be launching soon. And there's so much amazing stuff happening in the Gala ecosystem that personally, I would be surprised. I would be flabbergasted if at some point in the next 5 to 10 years, Gala is not more than a 10x. I don't know how long this bear market's gonna last. Maybe the bear market lasts a year, maybe it lasts 2 years, maybe it lasts 3 years, who knows? That doesn't matter, because Gala is building real things. They're building real games that people want to play, and the bull will run again. The bull market, especially for Gala Coin, I am very, very confident will return. Now, like I said, this is just my own opinion. Gala doesn't have any stance on the future coin value, but that's because they can't legally. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed me sharing my opinion on why Gala Games is just an incredible, incredible ecosystem, and why, just like this city, Mdina, it is going to stand for hundreds of years, thousands of years, and it's just gonna be one of the super impressive things. And oh yeah, one last thing that makes me bullish on Gala, because why not? It's founded by Eric Schurmeyer, who you may have heard of, has founded a couple other companies that you may have heard of, like MySpace and Zynga. And I think Zynga is actually just getting acquired right now, which is pretty impressive. But yeah, you have an incredible executive team that is gonna make this thing work. So hopefully you guys understand a little bit better now why I'm so bullish on Gala Games. If you did enjoy, then make sure to drop a big thumbs up on this video and hit subscribe if you want to stay up to date with all things crypto gaming. This channel, On-Chain Gaming, is all about the future of the metaverse, all about the future of play to earn, and all about the future of Web3. So until next time, everyone, have fun roaming the real world. The real world's super cool, and have fun roaming the metaverse.